Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this ball on the ground
Okay.
and just approach it like you would if it was like a 160 yard shot. Is that the right club for
Uh,
160?
yeah, I've got an 8 iron.
Alright, so I'm going to put this down, just approach it like you would, and we're going to be hitting towards the target right here.
74 yards, give me a full wedge and give me like a 3/4 half wedge.
Nice. Kind of striped it. That was a good one. Alright, so let me ask you something here. What were you thinking about whenever I set the ball down and I told you to hit it? Like, what was your thought process?
I was just thinking about the target. I wasn't really thinking about anything else.
Alright, so let's go ahead and stand back here with me.
Okay.
Alright, so same shot, 160. We're going to be hitting at the target here.
Okay.
I want you to picture what kind of shot you want to hit. I noticed you've been hitting a lot of draws. So
Okay.
maybe let's picture a draw starting out here, barely right of the target, drawing back in to the target, which would be the flag.
Okay.
And let's try to picture the flight of it so we can have an envisionment of what it's going to be like.
Okay.
And then as you're walking up, you're still looking at that line because nothing's going to change. It's just your eye angle that changes.
Right.
So maybe approach it and then still envision it from behind and while you're over the ball.
Do I need to take any practice swings with these?
Yeah, so I normally take a practice swing behind just to get a feel of the club head and to kind of envision it from behind also.
With the shot shape.
Yeah, with the shot shape.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and take a practice swing behind. And then go ahead and envision the shot.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go ahead and you have the shot pictured. Let's see what you got. That was a nice one. You're striping them today.
Thanks.
So do you always hit pretty much the same shot? Like if you see it, you always hit it, or is it kind of sporadic sometimes?
I tend to hit a lot of shots right. Like they don't curve. They're just kind of right. You know what I mean?
So that is just pretty nice about it. So let's go ahead and step back here a little bit. And we're going to envision the shot like you just did.
Okay.
And let's just try to take the transition a little slower. I think from
Get a
the
little quick.
backswing, from the backswing to the forward swing, I think is a little quick.
Okay.
Let's try to envision it just slowly accelerating, and then really the acceleration is like right here, down lower instead of up here, because there's like some wasted energy that comes along with starting the
Okay.
club head down, and that'll also help with the controlling of it. Because if
Okay.
you're driving a race car and you want to manipulate the car whenever you're on the freeway, it's going to be a lot harder than if you're just in the parking lot. So let's try to slowly guide it down and have the acceleration a little lower in the swing. There you go.
Same shot.
Yep.
Okay.
Same shot. So we're going to start off to the right, draw it back to the target. Little right. So let's. It's gonna take some time to change because if you're used to doing that all the time, then it's definitely gonna take
That
some time.
feels awkward.
Yeah. So let's just take a practice swing,
Okay.
slow motion, where you can feel the club starting to move down after moving forward.
Okay.
The slower is better. You don't have to swing hard. slower is always better. Like you've seen Ernie Els swing before, right?
Yeah.
His swing is so slow, and he hits it just as far as anyone else.
Right.
It's more so about the contact, and we can have better contact if we're not moving as fast.
Okay.
A better balance. So now we're going to incorporate both of those, both the pre-swing and in-swing changes in the same shot. So let's go ahead and step behind.
Okay.
Picture the shot,
Okay.
and then we're going to have the slow, smooth swing.
Okay.
Let's do that. I like it. Little right.
Yeah. That one didn't. It didn't curve.
You didn't draw over.
Yeah.
So whenever you think of draw, what are you normally doing? You're changing your grip, or you're changing your swing?
A lot of times for me, I've been taught that it's just easiest to kind of either aim at your target or right of it, and then just close the face down a little, and then keep everything else the same, just to simplify it.
I like that.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. One thing that I would say also is just go ahead and leave the club on the ground. And then turn this hand to the right. And then regrip it.
That.
Yeah. Now, if you overdo it, it'll have the reverse effect. But if you just change it slightly, you could feel that it'll help you close the face over a little bit.
Okay.
And so maybe try practicing with that, and then let's see you hit the ball like that.
Okay.
So that's called strengthening the grip whenever you turn your left hand to the right, and that'll help you close the club face.
Okay.
There we go. And then let's not forget about the slow transition.
Okay. Yeah.
Slower swing. With that, I like it.
Well, no, we don't need.
Nice. All right, let's see what you're gonna do. Picture the shot, and let's see it. What did you feel there?
That grip felt weird.
Yeah, it's gonna take some time to get used to it. So just go ahead and make a minor change. Maybe turning it over so much is gonna feel weird. But
Okay.
if you just change it like a little bit, like
Okay.
let's see
So
your
like from there to
that's
there.
your normal, yeah, or maybe even less than that. Yeah, because even the slightest change will have a huge effect.